Welcome everybody. My name's Al Lucchino. I want to welcome you into the virtual showroom of Harley-Davidson of Danbury. Today I'm going to do a walk around and review on a 2024 pre-owned Softail Breakout in Billiard Gray. Now if you're watching this as a Facebook reel, Facebook limits those to 60 seconds. However, I'll post the link to the full walk around and review of this motorcycle in the comments section of the reel. Now, we've got this awesome 2024 Billiard Gray Breakout. Let's talk a little bit about what is a Softail Breakout. Well, first, it's a Softail. That means we've got a triangulated rear fork and the shock is hidden under the seat. It's a monoshock. It's an updated frame. It's relatively light. It's rigid. It's got a great ride, and it's got a very high quality emulsion gas charge type of monoshock underneath the seat. So great motorcycle. Then we wrap this up with a 240 millimeter fat rear tire and a big 21-inch chopper style front tire in the front. This has approximately a 32-degree rake on the neck, so it has a long, low, slung feel. This is a very hot-looking Softail with a comfortable chopper style ride. Now, 5-gallon gas tanks, fuel injected, so no gas valve, no choke, no hiccuping, no coughing, no sputtering. On this one, we've got the Milwaukee 8 117-inch motor here with a heavy breather air filter. Now, great power, about 103 horsepower in the standard configuration with about 123, 125 foot-pounds of torque. We back it up with a 6-speed transmission, so you have a gear for most every situation. And then we've got the belt final drive on this side. Belt drive, quiet, clean, maintenance-free. For a street bike, there's really no better, lighter, more efficient drive system than the Kevlar-based belt that Harley-Davidson is now using. Now, 110 miles, sells for under $20K. This bike is $19,995. Harley-Davidson of Danbury sold this bike when it's new. We've got some really nice high-value accessories on this motorcycle. We've got the awesome Cobra RPT mufflers, so the bike sounds and rumbles like a Harley should. Also have the optional detachable backrest and pad. Harley calls it hold fast. It used to be called detachable. I'm going to call it detachable because that's really what it is. No tools needed. Now, we've got the gauges mounted in the handlebar cluster, so your turn signal indicators, your speedometer, and fuel gauge, everything's integrated into one very clean, seamless, custom-looking handlebar-mounted clamp. We've got a drag-style handlebar. Again, with only 110 miles, for all intents and purposes, this Breakout is a new motorcycle for about $6,000 less than a new 2026 Breakout. So a great opportunity here for you on that motorcycle if you're looking for a Breakout. You've got disc brakes, front and rear, anti-lock brakes, traction control. So again, we've got an updated and appropriate electronic suite, but it's still an honest motorcycle. Hit the start button. You've got a passive fob. You walk up, the motorcycle powers up. Hit the start button. Let the fuel injection pressurize 2-3 seconds. And then again, when you hit the button, the bike's going to fire. Simple, honest motorcycle. I love the side-mounted license plates. The rear brake lights are integrated into the turn signals, and we've got that super wide, very fat 240 millimeter tire, forward controls. So come on down to Harley-Davidson in Danbury. You can call us on this motorcycle, 203-730-2453. And right behind me is our DynoJet 250i. You see the sign, Screaming Eagle Performance Center, but I like to call our dealership the Danbury Muscle Factory. We build a lot of these into 128 plus torque and horsepower monsters, and they're fast and reliable. So come on down, let's take this 2024 Breakout for a ride, and I look forward to seeing you at the dealership. We're open Tuesday through Friday, 10 to 6, Saturdays, 10 to 4. Thanks for watching.